to tie into the main power box in the basement that we've located. It's got the right size wire, the 14 gauge going in, which is rated at 15 amps, and at the 15 amp breaker is what turned it off. We want to verify that the power is off, utmost safety. This detector will tell you when the power's on. This particular wire, the power's on, it lights up. The wires for our box, we've checked them both. It's off. The power's off, so we're safe. But after we take the cover off, we're going to check again. So let's remove that cover. I'll take the face plate off. Now these you don't have to take the screws completely out. And we're going to double check the wires inside to make sure they're not hot. I check all three just in case someone has something wired incorrectly. And then, of course, if it was hot, we'd have the red light lighting up.